Hello dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video, I have already completed the chapter number 2 and the topic, that is subject and predicate and their exercises. So now in this video, I'm going to revise the chapter number 3, the next topic, which is given in your Tune Into Grammar book. So first of all, you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book. Dear student, it is topic number 3 and the topic is prefixes and suffixes. Student, in today's video, we're going to discuss about suffixes and prefixes. What is prefix and suffix? Have you any knowledge about this topic? Dear student, you have already learned this topic in your previous classes. So one more time I'm going to explain this topic to you. So you all listen carefully. Okay student? Dear student, there is a question that what is prefix? What is prefix? So we can say that a prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, we can say the word unhappy. In word unhappy, there is consist of the prefix un, which means not. What the meaning of un? It means not, combined with the root words happy. The word unhappy means not happy, not unhappy, okay, not happy. Dear student, in short we can say that a syllable or a word part added to the beginning of a word is called a prefix. What is prefix? So we can say that a syllable or a word part added to the beginning of a word is called a prefix. There are so many examples. Let's learn some examples of prefix. So dear student, at your screen there is a list of prefixes. Okay. So first of all we are going to read the given examples. So there is a first prefix is de, okay, which means from, down, away, reverse, opposite. When we add this given group of letters in any words, so the meaning will be changed. For example, there is the first is de. The first prefix is de. It means from, down, away, reverse, opposite. There is example decode and decrease. Decode and decrease. Okay. Now the next is dis. Dis, again its meaning is not, opposite, reverse, away. When we add this word, when we add this given letters in words, the meaning of that word would be changed. For example, there is a word agree, okay, there is a word agree, and when we add dis, it will be disagree. As we can say, the sentence, the words would be changed, okay, the words would be changed like disagree and disappear, okay, disappear. Next prefix is ex. Meaning of ex is out of, away from, lacking, formal, okay. For example, excel, explosion, okay. Now the next is il. Next prefix is il. Its meaning is not. So when we add, the word becomes illegal and illogical, okay. Now the next is I am. The meaning of I am is not, without. Example, impossible, improper. Impossible, improper. Okay student. Now the next we are going to learn about the many more prefixes, that is de. One more time we are going to read this again. First prefix is de, which meaning from, down, away, reverse, opposite, and examples are decode and decrease. Second is dis. It means not, opposite, reverse, and away. Example, disagree, disappear. Third is ex, out of, away from, lacking from. lacking and former, so excel and explosion. Okay, now the next is ILNOT, not, so illegal, illogical. Next after that, next prefix is IM, which meaning is not, without. For example, impossible and improper. So dear student, you have to write many more examples of prefixes in your notebook. So now we are moving to the next, that is suffixes. So student, now we are going to learn about the suffix. What is suffix? So we can say that a syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called suffix. What is suffix? So we can say that a syllable or a word part added to the end of a word is called a suffix. Student, we have learned that a suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of word. Root of a word, for example, the word flavorless. Flavorless consists of the root word flavor combined with the suffix less, which means without. The word flavorless means having no flavor. Okay student? So there are many more examples of suffixes. Let's have a quick overview on the given examples. So there is a first, able, A-B-L-E, able. So the meaning of able is able to, having the quality of. So examples, comfortable and profitable. Okay. Next is AL. Next suffix is AL. It means relating to. For example, annual and comical. After that, third is ER. Comparative. The meaning of ER is comparative. For example, bigger, stronger. After that, EST. Meaning superlative. Okay, the meaning of EST, superlative, and examples are strongest and thinnest. Examples of strongest and tiniest. Now the next is FUL, full of. Examples, beautiful and grateful. Now the next is able, IBLE, forming an adjective. For example, reversible and terrible. Now moving to the next, many more examples. There are ING, meaning denoting an action, a material, or a gerund. Examples, acting, sewing. Okay. Now the next is less, LESS, less. Meaning of less is less are without, not affected by. Examples are friendless and tireless. After that, ly. So the meaning of ly is forming an adjective, clearly, hourly. Next is ness, NESS, so denoting a state or condition. So examples are kindness and wilderness. So dear student, in your book on page number 11, there is a topic, chapter number 3, prefixes and suffixes. So first of all, we have to do this given activity, that is write the opposite of this word. So there is a first is agree, second is fair, third is correct, and fourth is polite. So what did you do to make this opposite? Discuss. So first of all, we have to write opposite of the given words. So first is agree, so we write here disagree. Disagree. We have to add DIS, so it will be disagree. Second is fair, so we have to write here unfair. Unfair. Okay, we have to add UN. After that, correct, so we have to write here incorrect. Okay, we have to write here incorrect. IN. We have to add IN. Okay, fourth is polite, so we have to write impolite. IM. We have to add IMPLOITE. Impolite. Okay student, so like this we have to make these given words in an opposite form. Okay, now read these words. Read these words. So dislike, preview, incomplete, unable, reapply, semicircle, misbehave, imperfect, overflow. So in each of these words, some letters have been added at the beginning of the word to make a new words. Student, In this given words, we can see there are some letters have been added at the beginning of the word to make a new words. So a group of letters, we can say that a group of letters that is added before a word to make a group of letters that is added before a word to make a new word is called a prefix. What is prefix? So we can say that a group of letters that is added before a word to make a new word is called prefix. The word to which the prefix is added is called the root word. What is root word? Root word, the word to which the prefix is added is called the root word. Some of the most common prefix are un, in, im, re, bi, de, mis, dis, pre, over, semi and inter. Okay student, so it's a example of prefix. Now read these words, that is kindness, freedom, attraction, helpless, badly, shorten, hopeful, friendship, player. So in each of these words, a group of letters has been added at the end of the word to make a new words. Student, in prefix we can see that a group of letters that is added before a word. In the beginning of word, the words to make a new word. Okay, and in suffix we can see the words, a group of letter has been added the end of the words to make a new word. Okay, so we can see a group of letters placed at the end. In prefix, you must be remembered that in prefix we have to add the group of letters we added at the beginning. In prefix we have to add the group of letters in the beginning, but in suffix we have to add the group of letters at the end of the word. Okay, in prefix we have to add the group of letters in the beginning of words, and suffix we have to add the group of letters at the end of words. Okay student, so here are some examples you must be learned. These are the example of suffix and prefixes. You must be learned, and after that you have to write down these given examples in your notebook. Okay student, so first of all we learn the given definition of suffixes and prefixes. So first of all, in prefix we have to learn that a group of letters that is added before a word to make a new word is called a prefix. The word to which the prefix is added is called the root word. Some of the most common prefixes are given in the bracket, so you must be learn it. Now in suffixes, a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word is called a suffix. The word to which the suffix is added is called the root word. Some of the most common suffixes are ly, neess, leess, ful, abld, ibld, ion, er and en. Okay student, so these are the suffixes and prefixes which is given in your grammar book. So I hope is that clear to you that what is suffix and prefix. So dear student, what's your homework of today? So you must be write down what is suffix and prefix and also its 10 examples. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.